Hello viewers, my name is Mwakego John, an MMM participant. I'm presently in batch 263 in the MMM Guidance School. I want to talk about the ideology of MMM and how MMM works. MMM, what does it mean? It simply means Mavrodi Mondial Movement. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other. It's a peer-to-peer system. No central account. It will not collect your money. Who we are. MMM is over 138 million members worldwide. MMM is in 107 countries. MMM is the largest donation exchange network in the world. In 1994, MMM held 1/3 of the entire cash in Russia. It was recently reported that the Bitcoin prices are being driven up just because of MMM. We are a community that built on helping people become financial free. MMM ideology. Creating a fair financial system where money will no more be an issue. Creating a platform where there will be no need to go to banks to borrow money to execute financial projects. How MMM works. Now, MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. Here, members provide help to each other. This one provides to the other and the other provides to this. It keeps going round. It goes round and round like that and it revolves. That's what MMM is simply all about. And this is our PO. When you get to the PO, you click on it, it opens and you see what you see on your PO is provide help and get help. And in provide help, when you click on it, it means you want to donate to a participant. While in get help, when you click on it, it means you have provided help and the help has lasted for 30 days and so you want to get back your help. So you click on the get help to get help. Mavro is the internal currency of the system. Mavro's amount will start growing from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. That is from the day you say, I want to provide help in MMM. 30%, it starts growing from that day. It starts counting from that day and so on until the 30 days is completed. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself at the end of your 30 days. Where does 30% come from? A lot of people ask this question. Now, there is no interest rate in MMM. In MMM, after your donated money, you get rewarded with Mavro. Mavro is an index of your tribute to the development of the community. This index grows at 30% a month. It is just a technical term. Programmers can adjust this growth rate of Mavro at any moment. The amount of Mavro and its growth rates can be decreased, it can increase, it can be stopped, it can even be cancelled. MMM's 30% earnings circle. Here you see provide help, you see get help, which is to withdraw, and provide help to deposit, and the get help here is to withdraw. You take out your profit, you return it back to the PHQ or take all, and that's all. That's how MMM works. The benefits. We are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for your donations. Growth of Mavro per month. Provide help and receive 30% Mavro at the end of 30 days. Registration bonus. In MMM, we have bonuses. And we're talking about the registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participant receives a bonus in the amount of $20 or $50 or $100, depending on how much you register with. Now, if the donation is from $50 to $499, you get $20 as your registration bonus. If the donation is from $500 to $2,999, the participant receives $50 as his or her registration bonus. And if the donation is more than $3,000, the participant gets $100 as registration bonus. We also have what is called the referral program, which is referral bonus. You get 10% from all donations of the participants you invited. Inviting new members from the community is your additional contribution to its development, which means that in MMM, we invite participants, and in inviting new participants to come and join our community, MMM rewards you with 10%, which is called a referral bonus. And become a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn manager's bonus. You don't just become a manager in MMM. You must attend a manager's school. Now, managers of the MMM community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participant in their structure. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager's bonuses varies depending on the level in the structure. We have 1,000, we have 500 managers, we have 100 plus managers. There are different levels of managers. Become a manager by finishing 10 days online schooling and earn manager's bonus. It's a continuation. Now, manager's bonus. There are different levels of bonuses you get as a manager. There's a 5% from the first level participant donation. There is 3% on the second level participants donation. You have 1% on the third level participants donation. You have 0.5% on the fourth level participants donation. You have 0.25% on the fifth level participant donation. You have 0.1% on the sixth level participant donation. You have 0.05% on the seventh level participant donation. You have 0.03% on the eighth level participant donation. You have 0.01% on the next level. It continues like that and it keeps going on and on. Be aware of the risks. In everything in life that we do, there is risks. Now, MMM also has its own risks. MMM is a community for peer-to-peer money exchange. Thus, MMM only redistributes money between its participants, connecting a donator to a recipient. Therefore, in order that the mutual aid process may be beneficial and not be stopped, the members of participants donating money should generally increase. That is to say, we have to keep inviting new members into our community for the continuity of the community. Now, the community constantly works to improve the reliability of the mechanism of mutual assistance. However, it may happen that those who have donated money will not receive help back. Donate only your spare money. However, for many years of operation, we had proven the system's reliability, and MMM have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and beneficial. Security in pulse modes. PH Naira, UGH Naira. MMM rules for safe participation. Now we have rules and regulations that keeps the system. 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want with one MMM account. All accounts will be permanently blocked. You will be banned. That is the penalty of having multiple accounts. That is more than one account. Rule 2. Do not share email or bank details with other members. That is, your email is meant for you and you alone. If you share it with any other person, the penalty is you will all be blocked from getting help until you give identity proof. Rule 3. Do not delay in paying for your order. That is, when you have an order or you have been matched to provide help to someone, you don't have to delay. You just go and make your payment and upload your proof of payment. If you fail to do that, the penalty is you will be blocked. Rule 4. Do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. If you do that, the penalty, your GH will be delayed for 14 days. Rule 5. Do not click on the I refuse to make payments. I refuse to make payment button for more than once a month. If you click on it more than once in a month, you will be blocked. Rule 6. Do not make deposits and fail to attach proof of payment. As soon as you pay, ensure you upload your proof of payment. Failure to do that, you will be blocked. Rule 7. Do not fail to confirm your payments. If someone pays to you, as soon as you get the money or get the alert, immediately go to your PO and confirm the person to ensure that you have received that money. Failure to do that, you will be blocked. Rule 8. Do not allow your family members to PH more than you. If they have more than the amount you PH to donate, let them do it through your PO or tell them to register through your guidance link. That is to say, if you register anyone who is in your family or as your younger one or your elder one, as well as people are in the same family, you are not that person is not expected to PH more than you, to provide help more than you. If he wants to provide a higher amount of help, he can give that money to you to add your own to provide. When it comes, you sort it out. For failure to do that, you will be blocked. Rule 9. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after every GH withdrawals. Maximum days to write it is after your GH is 3 days. This is very important because as you write your letter of happiness, the viewers out there reading it will be encouraged to join the community. A lot of people have joined MMM through letter of happiness, not because anybody invited them, but when they see what a participant wrote and read it, they were impressed, and so they had to come and join. So each time you receive your money and you are happy, you have to write a letter of happiness. You can even do a video of happiness. But failure to do any of this, you will be blocked. I want to say thank you so much for listening to me. I am grateful to be a part of this school and to have come to the end of it. Stay blessed by one.